Hey people, so it's like I'm back to reviewing the kind of shows and books that I think really deserve an audience. So, on Netflix, there's this show called, not show, it's a reality TV series, really. It's called Singapore Social. And my God, I mean, it gives you a peek into high society life in Singapore. So, I mean, it's such an eye opener, yeah. I mean, one would think that moment someone reaches a certain status in society and all, like most problems would vanish. But in fact, I won't say it's the opposite, but it kind of life gets very complicated. Um, like they say, this line from a very famous book. They say money doesn't solve problems; it magnifies what is already there. So that is true. I mean, so but Singapore Social, it's just episodes, and I've yet to like. That's what I'm almost finished watching it, but it'll open your mind. So just all you Netflix watchers, just try. You know, it's just hardly 30 minutes each episode, and it'll give you a peek into life. I won't say on the other side of the world, but pretty much. I mean, it's beautiful program. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.